Marco Colbert, Speedokote Finish Network. Well, guys, it is the day all of you have been waiting for. We are about to wrap up the Del Sol restoration. This is the longest project I've had in my new shop. I'll say that much. I've had this car apart since like November of 2020, so it's been apart for a good bit. So, earlier today, pressure washed the car, got in all the nooks and crannies. And one positive thing I could say about washing a car before you paint it is you get to wet check the entire car. And I did find one more dent. Had a nice size dent that I missed here on the trunk. Now, I was going to go 2K on this, but I want to get this car painted within the next hour or two. So I have a solution, a new product that I haven't used ever before on the channel, and I want to introduce you guys before we start getting it painted. Very old school product that Speedokote fortunately still carries, acrylic lacquer primer. This product is very easy to mix, just simple 1-to-1 mix ratio. We did about 2 ounces of primer, 2 ounces of reducer, give it a quick mix, you're ready to throw it in your gun and spray it. Application is very easy, just about 2 medium coats, don't go too wet. And if it's hot enough outside, you can give it a light block sand in about 45 minutes and you're ready for paint.
So then, why?
So that's going to wrap it up for the Del Sol. We got it together. I just want to first off thank all of you that have been following this restoration. I know it's been a long time coming. Thank you for the patience. I hope you guys love the outcome. As far as the paint goes, I know a lot of you guys are curious. We did about 2 to 3 coats with the SMR 135, and I kind of took a step back. I was like, you know what? Let's just go for a little bit more of a show quality look. So we wet sanded it back down with 800 grit, the entire body, rescuffed all the edges, and then we hit it with 2 nice wet coats of the SS 1200 Glamour Clear with medium activator for a nice flow. And as you can see with this hood, this was flow coated, absolute glass. Very, very nice entry-level show quality finish. Now, I did not block sand any of this work. A lot of this was DA, so it's not perfect. It's got its little imperfections here and there. But overall, guys, for an $800 Del Sol, a cheap restoration, we got amazing results out of it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. New videos every week.